Hi guys, today our topic for today is positivity and gratitude.
And how?
And how we can be more positive.
Yeah, and how it optimizes our immune system.
Yeah.
So what is positivity?
Positivity is the practice of being or tendency to be positive or optimistic in attitude.
Yeah, awesome. Now, Imad, does the gratitude and positivity improve our immune system or weaken our immune system?
They
Improves our immune system.
improve our immune system.
Yeah. So why don't you guys show me how back here what it does to your immune system? Okay, let's see. Oops.
Oh, it's such a nice day out here. You again.
The positivity. So you're in a positive world. And does the positive world help your immune system or it weakens your immune system?
Oh, it helps our immune system.
So try to get the virus in. But what happens if somebody is so sad and so scared of the virus all the time, Zen? Say, I'm so scared of the virus.
I'm so scared of the virus. What should I do? Oh no. It's a
Now what
virus.
happens when the virus starts to come in? Oh no, because of all that negativity, right?
No.
All that negativity causes what?
All negativity causes destruction and
Yeah.
inflammation.
And inflammation and weakens our immune system.
And that's you do the good stuff.
So now, Abdullah, are we living in a world of negativity?
Yes, because our lens that which we view the world is clouded.
Yeah. Because everything right now is what? What is that lens?
Everything is like negative and
Yeah, everything is negative, right?
mm-hmm.
And so when everything is negative, they've done studies where 15 minutes makes exposure. Yeah. What happened?
So actually, there's this a college student tested that only 15 minutes of exposure to the news was enough to increase symptoms of anxiety. Through the science of neuroplasticity, the ability to form and organize
Synaptic connections. So like the connections that occur between nervous systems,
the
between your
constant
cells and
negativity
your
of fear.
nervous. Yeah. Because a constant stress then what? Leads to disease and despair.
Yes.
Right? So what happens is that when we are put in a state of fear, do we make good decisions or bad decisions?
We make bad decisions.
Because there's two main pieces that are part of the decision making.
Yeah, so
right?
there's
Abdullah?
the two critical players that are involved in decision making or the neuroeconomics are
the prefrontal cortex.
The prefrontal cortex.
Good boy.
And then there's the
amygdala.
Amygdala.
Yeah. And so what does the prefrontal cortex do?
So the prefrontal cortex.
That's responsible for like rational decision making.
Yeah. So
While the
pros and cons.
Yeah. Like
Yes.
it weighs pros and cons.
Yes.
While the other one is responsible for, it's like that's part of the what part of the brain?
The amygdala is the reactive part of the brain. Like
Yeah.
it is responsible for like primitive impulse, fight or
Fight, flight type of decisions.
Yeah, one of
so
those.
when you're like, there's so much going on in the world, then what happens is that destroys the connection, all that fear destroys the connection between the prefrontal cortex
and the amygdala.
So
Yes.
therefore, we make good decisions or bad decisions.
We made bad decisions.
Yeah, when we have a lot of fear around us, we're actually making lots of bad decisions. Wow. And then, they've even done studies where just by Abdullah, there was a study done last year in the brain and behavior and in immunity, right? And what did it show?
So yes, last year,
A study that was in Pennsylvania University.
yeah, and then what happened was
It was found that negative
negative moods may change the way in which the immune system response functions, and they are associated with an increased risk
of inflammation.
Inflammation.
Yeah. So then there was another study that also showed that just positivity and negativity, right?
Yeah.
Can actually boost your immune system.
Yes.
I mean, there's so many studies. It can even reverse heart failure.
Mm-hmm.
Reverse heart failure. So we have to make sure that we optimize our gratitude, right? Zen, so come over here, Zen. So what does being like gratitude then increases what?
Being optimistic
Optimism,
improves our health and has been proven to improve our immune system and lower inflammation.
So it lowers the fire in our body, right?
Yes.
And it gives our bodies a better ability to fight off all the bad guys.
Yeah.
But, so yes, there's a difference between you can be sad sometimes, but is it good to be sad all the time?
No, it's not good to be sad all the time.
Because well, the thing is, some people are stuck in that because of the story that they tell themselves. So like right now, if you listen to news all day long, does that news tell you to be happy or sad right now?
Telling you that
Fear.
yeah,
Depends
there's a
what
lot
news
of
it
fear.
is.
Yeah, there's a lot of fear. And that fear is creating negativity. And can you show me again? Abdullah, now you show me. Show me again what happens when fear... What happens when fear... The virus.
Oh my gosh, the virus, it's coming. What's happening?
Oh, that was all that fear. That fear destroyed it. So what happens when you have lots of positivity and only focus on the positive? When you only focus on the positive, then what happens?
Oh, I can do this. We can defeat this virus. You can't defeat us.
Oh, it can't get in. Do you guys see that? So if you are able to have if you're constantly positive, then do you have a good immune system or bad immune system?
And you have a good immune system.
Yeah, it keeps it nice and strong. Right? Awesome. So you guys, so how are we going to now optimize our immune system? What do we say? What do we do every morning?
We do gratitude.
So can you sing the gratitude song, Imad?
Thank you for our eyes. Thank you for our ears.
Here, show me. Do a little dance.
Yeah,
You want to do a dance? Imad, come on. You want to do it? All right. Let's see. Yeah. Let's do their little dance that they do in the morning. So they do a little gratitude dance. Let's do your gratitude dance.
Thank you for our eyes. Thank you for our ears. Thank you for one day. Thank you for our roof over head. Thank you.
Yeah, he disappears. So let's do this. So let's all together sing this again. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Thank you for my eyes. Thank you for my ears. Thank you for another beautiful day. Thank you for my health. Thank you for my immune system. So it can keep us nice and strong. Safe. What else are we thankful for?
We are thankful for toys.
He's thankful for toys. What are you thankful for, Abdullah?
My belly button.
His belly button. Zan, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for such a beautiful country.
Yes, I'm thankful for a beautiful country too. Imad, what are you thankful for? He just laid on the floor. Imad, what are you thankful for? Imad, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for ground.
Yes. Qasim, what are you thankful for? Toys. So we are so thankful for so many things, and that's what we're going to focus on. So we can optimize what?
Our immune system.
Thank you, guys. We would love to hear what you guys are thankful for. If you have any questions, please, you can text messages here. Otherwise, Holistic Mom MD. And then we have groups and Facebook Lives. Join us tomorrow as we talked about the importance of, keeping the people around us that love us, right? So you guys, we should ask, what are you guys thankful for? We want to know. Tell us in the comments below. Thanks, guys. Bye.